Hello there. So you want to know how you can simply go ahead and log in into your Costco app on your mobile device. This is going to be the only video that you'll ever need to watch on the internet. So with that being said, let's just get straight into the video. First things first, all you need to do is simply go ahead and open App Store and then search for Costco, just like that. And once you've done that, simply download and install this application onto your mobile device and click on open. Now, once you've done that, all you need to do is simply go ahead and tap on the account tab on the middle of your screen on the bottom, as you can see. And once you tap on that, all you need to do is click on sign in or create account. Once you've done that, it's going to take you to the sign in page right over here. It just takes a bit to load up. So let's just wait for a bit. And once it is on this page, all you need to do is simply go ahead and enter your email, enter your password, and click on sign in. That is about it. I hope this video was helpful to you. If it was, hit that like button, and I'll see you on the next one.